So in this video we are going to talk about top 10 extinct creatures that are not extinct. So in this list, the number 10, New Holland mouse. A New Holland mouse is a rodent first described in 1843. It vanished from view after that, and it was presumed extinct until it was rediscovered in 1967. It is found only in Australia. Next thing, number 9, terror skink. The terror skink was long thought extinct until a specimen was discovered in 2003 in New Caledonia. The skink measures around 20 inches and has long, sharp, curved teeth, unusual for a skink as they are normally omnivorous. The only other known example of skink was also discovered in New Caledonia in 1876. Number 8, giant Palos earthworm. The giant Palos earthworm from North America was considered to be extinct in 1890s. Sorry, 1980s, but recently it has resurfaced. Little is known about the worm, but what is known is very strange. It can grow up to 3 feet in length and when handled gives off a smell like lilies. Next thing is number 7, Takahe. The Takahe is a flightless bird native to the South Island of New Zealand. It was thought to be extinct after the last 4 specimens were taken in 1898. After an extensive search for the bird, it was rediscovered near Lake Tuan in 1948. Next thing is number 6, mountain pygmy possum. The mountain pygmy possum was first discovered as Pleistocene fossil in 1896. It was rediscovered alive in 1966 in a sky hut on Mount Hotham, Australia. Next thing is number 5, glacial glacial riss. Glacial riss is a genus of nocturnal ants that were only known through the fossil record. In fact, the only known fossil ex- existing of this ant is a specimen in Ember. The ants were discovered alive and were described in 2006, but to this day, very little known about them. The ants live in small colonies and nest in soil. Next thing is number 4, Bermuda Bermuda patrel. The Bermuda patrel, a nocturnal ground nesting seabird, was thought extinct for 330 years. It is a national bird of Bermuda and was rediscovered in 1951 when 18 pairs were found. It was believed the extinct after the English settled Bermuda and introduced cats, rats, and dogs. Next thing is number 3, Laotian rock rat. The Laotian rock rat, also known as the rat squirrel, was first described in 2005 by a scientist who put it into its own family of creatures. Next thing is number 2, La Palma giant lizard. The La Palma giant lizard was thought extinct in from 1500. It lived in La Palma in the Canary Islands, and it is believed that the introduction of cats caused its final downfall. In 2007, it was rediscovered in its original location despite the belief that the only lizards left in the Canary Islands were on Gran Canaria. So the last one is number 1, the coelacanth. This entry is number 1 because it is the coolest one. The coelacanth was thought to be extinct since the end of the Cretaceous period. In 1938, it was rediscovered in various African nations, making it a Lazarus taxon, one of a group of organisms that disappears from the fossil record only to come back to life later. So these are the top 10 extinct creatures that are not extinct actually. So